Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the author and last modified information from a Word document. So if you want to remove it from the properties, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So just want to navigate over to wherever the directory that the document is being saved. So in my case, I have it on my desktop. And you want to right click on that document and select Properties. You want to select the Details tab, and then you want to select to the bottom where it says Remove Properties and Personal Information. And at this point, just go ahead and where it says Remove the following properties from this file, just select that, and then you're going to go ahead and just check mark everything you want to have removed. So you want to have the author saved by, and perhaps any additional information like when it was last created or modified, for example. And you would select OK, and now you see it's been removed from the document properties. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do apologize to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.